In this video, everything works exactly as it should.
Oh, that was a mouse that just... Ah! Another coat in the zipper that doesn't work. Safety features. We are sliding.
I'm glad that I found you. Ooh, I'm glad that I found you.
So the workday starts with sunscreen and an absurd amount of layers because, guys, it's been so cold. There just isn't enough canvas, isn't enough layers right now. This is a very old, very loved suit. I have had it since about 2014, I think. And I don't know, maybe it's time for a new one.
Okay, time to do chores. It is minus 17, so that's not fun. Yeah, let's go.
Winter has come in pretty hard this year. Normally it gets cold and it snows and then it thaws again, and we haven't really had that. It's just been very cold and lots of snow.
So we'll see how this camera does in the cold. It's really cold. There's Fudge. I was the first one to baw at me. Hey, babies. How we doing? Hey, Nikita. I know it's cold out today. Blah. Hey, Knuckles. Hey, Alice. First things first, I gotta get the water figured out. I'm fairly concerned that it's frozen. It was freezing last night. Yeah. See, this is where I don't know what to do about this, because it is like triple wrapped. I'm just gonna text Jack. It never used to do this until it was like minus 20 something. So I think there's something wrong with our wrap. So I've sent a water is frozen, help me message to Jack, and we will proceed with the rest of chores as if that hasn't happened. And then hopefully by the end of it, we get it figured out. If not, I got a bucket water from the house, which is the worst. Morning, birds. I don't have any water for you. I'm sorry. Not yet. I'll figure it out.
One of the many things on my to-do list right now is getting the birds back to the barn so that I just have one less thing kinda to do on my chore list. But that hasn't happened yet.
There's probably a right way to do this, and I'm not doing it. That could just be the name of my channel. I just heard the water start. Do I have a bucket under it? Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, you did it. You're here.
Are you sure you're turning the handle the right way?
The left.
Counterclockwise?
Yeah.
Okay. All I did for the second time coming out here is turn it, and it went, and there was no ice bits.
I have video proof.
I'm gonna need to see it at this point.
I'm just gonna text Jack.
First time, benefit of the doubt. Second time, I don't know what you're doing.
Okay. But the water works.
I just turned it.
Can I convince you to bring some water to the birds? Or not so much?
Yes.
Oh, you're the best. Thank you. Half a bucket will do for them. I appreciate you. I just heard the water and I'm like, oh, did I leave it on? No. That's not what happened. Well then. I don't know what's happening with the water. I truly don't.
Is it a bowl in their house, or am I putting it in the pool?
Not the pool. It's, they have 2 bowls just outside their yard. Thank you. I feel bad asking them for help. It's mostly me doing the things now. The farm things. Because, Oh, he's working the jobs to make everything else happen. Oh, jeez. There's a whole bunch of strings at the back here I didn't know about. Okay, so there's this. And then this. This one's like hella stuck. See, why is that stuck? I don't understand. I don't get this. But I don't want them to get stuck in it. Maybe someone can tell me how I'm supposed to be doing this.
You ought to know that you're my best friend. I need you more than kites need wind. We can go together to the very end. Getting lost with you is time well spent. Ooh, I'm glad that I found you. Ooh, I'm glad that I found you. Ooh,
birds are done. U group is done. Gotta do the rams. Oh, they're trying to follow me in. No, no. And then I have to do the driveway. Let's go. Do I have the snowblower on? No. Do I know how much diesel I have? No. Do I even know if the tractor's going to start because I haven't plugged it in? No. Alright, glow plugs once. I'm going to do this a few times. We really should have plugged it in. Looks like I have just shy of a quarter tank though, so that's fine. Would it be fine for brush hogging? No. But now it's winter, so I don't have to do that till next year. Alright, so that's 2. I'm going to try to start it after this. Alright, let's go. Woo! Come on, come on. There we go. Oh, no, 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 no. Alright, so just because I drive the tractor doesn't mean I actually know anything about it. So I've asked Jack. I'm like, it's angry, sounds angry, and it's blowing a lot of smoke, and I don't know if it's in 4 or not. He says he thinks so. Cool. So it's sounding more normal now. I'm clearly prepared because I've got the brush hog on. So that's good for snowstorms. Yeah, honestly, we didn't get that much snow. Kind of the idea here is I'm going to just use the tire treads for most of the driveway and then deal with the end where the plow dumped a whole bunch of stuff with the bucket. We started doing that last year, and honestly, it works just fine. I mean, we weren't running a van last winter either. We were running this, and this is, I wouldn't even need to do the driveway with that, but that's not exactly running legally right now. Well, it's running. It's not running legally, I guess is the issue. All right, let's go do the driveway. Starting to think maybe I should do it. The driveway is something. I don't actually know if it's any better. Oh well, we'll see. We will see. I've had about enough of the cold though. The camera's just about dead. My feet are freezing, so are my hands. I'm gonna eat something and then move on to the next part of my day.
I've been trying to put a little bit of effort into myself before I go out to town, and to not smell like a sheep, if that's possible.
Oh, that was a mouse that just casually. Ah! Where did it go? Running through the house.
Should I open the door?
Who's that? Oh, it's a good baby.
What do you do? Well, hopefully I make it out the driveway. Another coat with a zipper that doesn't work. Maybe could have done a better job of that. So once this clears, I may have to get out and actually scrape the stupid thing again. I'm gonna see if I can get out of the driveway. I hope that I can. I'm a little bit worried. It is now 11:11. I was hoping to get out a little earlier for all my errands because we have something special we're going to this evening, which is going to take me a bunch of time to get ready for. Cheat code. I'm using a windshield wiper fluid. Help. Alright. Let's try this driveway. I don't want to say too much. All things considered, this van isn't terrible in the snow. It's the first winter that we've had it out here in Brunswick, but we've had it for a few years, and it's a whole story, but we had it for a few years in Ontario. Through much worse winters, much worse situations. So the driveway isn't that shape. Okay. Cool. So that wasn't any good. Hello. Can I please get
1 lame ash, 1 whole oats, 1 wood shavings, and 1 Inukshuk 2660. Oh, you already got it there. My God. I'm just yelling it in the air. Air miles?
No, just my husband's credit card.
120.
So here I thought I opened the back hatch of the van. But that noise is it closing again because I put it into drive. And then I noticed.
Hold on.
Embarrassing.
Sorry about that. Apparently it won't open when I'm moving.
Alright, a lame ash, an oats, a Inukshuk, and a shaving.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too.
So you'd think that I'd learned that,
Oh.
but I literally didn't.
Safety features.
One day, my brain will work.
Silly thing. Alright, nothing like a drive-through feed store. We are here at Atlantic Zares, which is a very niche reference. Probably not gonna get that. Yeah, so I gotta go to 2 grocery stores today. Costco's always one of them, but it can't be the only one because there's just things.
Maybe you would understand. Motivation, see comes round.
Definitely not. Also no. What is happening? What? This is no longer my playlist. I mean, that's on it, but... Alright. So, my best guess is that there's only a 20% chance that I'm actually going to make it up this driveway. Let's see. I gotta be going 40 to make the hill. My only concern... I have lots of concerns. I'm full of concerns. I want my truck back. 40 reached. Heyo! We are sliding. Ooh. Did it.
pretty sure they call that ADHD.
All right, can't believe it. It's happened again. This damn water. So I'm gonna have to ask Jack for help again. But I need this to be video proof. Here it is, right? I am turning left. Counterclockwise. This way. As hard as I can. And nothing. Actually, frankly, nothing the other way either. So both ways. So now, I'm gonna text my husband and tell him the water is not working again. Oh. All right. Hang on, Sammy. I'll go get you yours. Oh, you got hay on your head now.
I was born in the river one day.
Hey, Sam.
Watch me clean and
Yes.
cold.
Mwah.
Oh, Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry.
I hear the water. Hang on, I hear the water. Hold up. Did he manage to sneak into the barn again? It's going. What? I don't understand. I mean, it must just be thawing, but I don't understand. Makes no sense to me, but I'll take it. Am I turning it off too hard, baby? I mean, I guess I can try that tonight. Take one of these to the boys. Oh, you. Yeah, definitely break the water with with your not waterproof gloves. Oh, that worked way easier.
I was born in the earth by hand, plucked out like a fruit. Oh Lord, I won't
Okay.
come home till the seed becomes a tree. I was born in the ocean's depths, made my way up there. And oh Lord, I won't come home till I'm one with these old seas. No, Lord, I won't come home. I won't come home to play. Oh, Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend.
Read a time doesn't work.
Oh, Lord, I won't come home. I won't come home to play. Oh, Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. I was born in the river one day. Wash me clean and cold. Oh, Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend.
Here we go. Fancy gate. Good night, sheep. Chores done.
I was born in the river one day, wash me clean and cold. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend.
If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And if you've liked what you've seen, please consider subscribing and following along.